These are perfect. Let's get them to the factory. Load them gently. Quality starts here.
On the way. Freshness preserved all the way.
Welcome to the factory. Let's start production.
Let's begin today's batch. Perfect ripeness here.
These ones are perfect. Move them forward.
Batch 32A, verified.
All right, team, let's keep the line moving.
Look at that texture. Beautiful.
Careful, no bruising allowed.
That's prime fruit right there.
Smooth start, let's keep it going.
Handle gently. Quality is key.
Brush speed is perfect. No damage, full clean. Brush speed is perfect. No damage, full clean.
Everything's stable, washing flow at 100% efficiency.
Look at that clarity. Exactly what we want. No imperfections. Send it to the cutting line.
Beautiful surface. This batch is top tier.
Reject that one. Quality first, always.
Line flow is smooth, exactly on pace.
Dry cycle locked in. No moisture left behind.
Washing complete. Moving to cutting next. Blades are sharp and aligned. Start the cutting cycle.
That's a flawless cut. No wasted pulp.
Seed removal reading. Perfect accuracy. Color is uniform. Send it to the grinding line.
Keep the flow steady, no stops here.
These machines perform like absolute precision tools.
Seed output is clean. Nice separation today.
Got it, line's good, keep it rolling. Everything's sanitized, zero contamination risk.
Cutting stage complete. Grinding comes next.
Grinder at full power, let's break this batch down.
Feed rate is smooth, perfect flow.
Texture is exactly where it needs to be. Texture is exactly where it needs to be.
Precision engineering in motion right there.
Flow pressure steady, no blockages.
Smooth, clean, and uniform, beautiful.
Everything's running like clockwork. Every juice running like clockwork.
Send that pulp, malaxing is next.
Grinding complete. Moving on.
Mixer starting up. Keep it at optimal heat range. Look at that flow, perfect consistency.
Movement is smooth, no resistance spikes.
Temperature locked. Ideal extraction level.
That color is absolutely beautiful.
Fresh, clean smell. This batch is top quality.
Flow rate adjusted. Keep it steady.
Every mixer is aligned. Beautiful sight.
This texture is perfect. Send it to the press.
Malaxing complete. Let's extract that oil.
Press activated, pressure steady and safe.
Feed evenly, no air pockets.
Look at that first drop, pure liquid gold.
Perfect clarity and color. This is premium.
Pressure reading stable, no deviations.
Flow is smooth, ready for the next stage.
Look at that sheen. Perfectly cold pressed. Self-cleaning active. No residue left. All presses synced. Production flowing perfectly.
Cold pressing complete. Moving to filtration. Oil entering filter. No blockages.
Look at that clarity, perfect separation. Bright, no sediment, excellent quality.
Flow steady, filter pressure optimal.
Look at that shine, ready for bottling soon.
Membranes clean, no residues, perfect.
All units running perfectly together. Smooth production.
Look at that color, premium quality.
Filtration complete. Logging batch 48B.
Filtration done, ready for bottling. Line looks perfect, all bottles ready.
Filler running. Check flow consistency.
Look at that pour, smooth and perfect.
No spills, perfect level in every bottle.
Flow steady. Keep it moving. Look at that clarity, premium grade. Flow optimized. Every bottle perfect.
Everything's synchronized. Beautiful line.
These are ready for capping and labeling.
Bottling complete, moving to capping. Caps aligned, feeding into line.
Cork is perfect. Each cap sealed tightly.
All caps straight, zero misalignment.
Line steady. Labels next.
Labels in perfect tension. No wrinkles.
Look at that, perfect alignment on every bottle.
No bubbles or misalignment. Excellent.
Everything synchronized. Perfect visual flow.
Right. Oh, look at these. Premium quality.
Capping and labeling complete. Next stop, packaging. Sticker placement next. Every bottle must have it.
All stickers aligned. Perfect positioning.
No bubbles. Sticker intact. Line steady. Stickers on all.
Handle with care. Stickers intact.
All bottles secure. Stickles visible.
All bottles comply, stickers perfect.
Display ready. Stickers visible for customers. Every bottle has a sticker, ready for demonstration.
All bottles packed and labeled. Stickers on every single one.
Welcome to our premium display. Every bottle perfect.
Hello. Let us show you our cold pressed avocado oil.
Notice the rich, creamy texture, freshly extracted.
Wow, the flavor is amazing.
From fruit to bottle, every step is crafted with care.
Look at that shine, pure quality.
Here's your bottle, stickers aligned and ready.
Tight.
Everything is set. Our team ensures perfection.
Thank you for visiting, and your support means everything to us. Subscribe, like, and help us reach 1 million views. Experience the journey of avocado oil.